Okay, and what kind of vacancy rates are you experiencing?
That's an interesting one. I had a look at that just before we came here.
Oh, good man.
So our
Well
businesses
researched.
we manage just over about 1,200 rental properties, and out of our rental properties, our vacancy rate is just under 1%.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, so vacancy, I was having this conversation with Tracy in the office before. Vacancy rates are essentially the percentage of properties on the market that are vacant versus ones that are occupied. So an occupancy rate is something you'd talk about in short term, I assume?
Correct.
And then the vacancy rates are beneficial to people who want to know, is that suburb got room to move, or can I put people, is there a high demand for that suburb?
Sure.
Would that be correct?
Are you essentially going to get a few tenants to compete for your property? That'll result in a better rental.
Okay.
And
So
better people.
It's a statistic for competition. Okay, excellent. If you have any questions, please make sure you comment on the video below. In the group, there will be a whole lot of conversation about this, hopefully. And please look up Tiger if you have any needs for things that are specific to what he's discussed. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to talk to you soon. And Tiger, we will hopefully talk to you very soon.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Mate.